Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for recipe ideas for a Super Bowl party, a tailgate party, an office party, any kind of party? If you are, stick around. I'm going to give you 5 easy recipe ideas. Now, I'll provide the recipe and the links to the full video on how to actually make these down in the description if you want to check those out. So, before we get started, please click that little thumbs up button, like this video, click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and click the little bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Let's get right to the recipes. So, recipe number 1 is green tea vodka slush. Maybe you've never heard of it, maybe you've never had it. I'm going to describe it like this. Who does not like snow cones? This is like a green tea snow cone in a glass with vodka. So what you're going to need to make this is a total of 9 cups of water. You're going to take that 9 cups and divide it into 7 cups and 2 cups. And you're going to need 2 cups of sugar. You're going to need 4 green tea bags. You're going to need 1 12-ounce can of frozen concentrate lemonade, 1 12-ounce can frozen concentrate orange juice. You're going to need 2 cups of vodka and some green food coloring. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to boil 7 cups of water, then you're going to dissolve the sugar into it. Set it aside, let it cool. You're going to boil 2 cups of water, put in the green tea bags, and set it aside and let it cool. Once everything is cooled, you're going to take the green tea bags out of that water and throw them away. Then you're going to take all the rest of the ingredients, you're going to mix them together. Once you have them mixed, you're going to put them in a container that's freezer safe. And you're going to put this in the freezer. It's going to take about 2 days and it will not freeze solid because of the vodka. You're going to have, it's a little bit slushy. So in 2 days, you take it out of the freezer, you scoop some of that slush into a glass, top it off with Sprite, and this is a delicious drink. Recipe number 2, air fryer chicken wings. You need 1 pack of chicken wings. You need Lowry's poultry seasoning rub. That's what I use. Basically thaw the chicken wings, coat real good both sides with the seasoning rub, and then you're going to put them in the air fryer for 25 minutes at 350, flipping them halfway. And what I use for sauce is a combination of Frank's Red Hot and butter. You can use less butter if you like it hotter, but basically melt your butter, add the Frank's Red Hot, mix that together, and when your chicken wings are done, you just drizzle on the sauce, and there you go, air fryer chicken wings. Recipe number 3, bacon candy. Sounds weird, I know, but this stuff is the bomb. What you're going to need is a good thick cut bacon and brown sugar. Here's what you're going to do. Take the brown sugar and the bacon, put it in a bag, shake it up, coat the bacon very generously with brown sugar. Then place the bacon in a cookie sheet, and you're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes, flipping it halfway. And when I say 30 to 40 minutes, basically what you're going to do is until it's desired crispiness for you. Everybody likes bacon differently. Then once you take it out, place it on a rack and let it cool for about 5 minutes. This stuff will get rock hard, almost like rock candy, and once it's cool, you can eat it. This is the bomb. Recipe number 4, Roka Blue cheese ball. Now, here's what you're going to use for it. You want 2 blocks of softened cream cheese, 1 jar of Roka Blue cheese, about a teaspoon of garlic salt, and pecan pieces. They can be slices, pieces, however you like. I use pieces. But what you're going to do is in a pan, you're going to mix the blocks of cream cheese, the Roka Blue cheese, and the tablespoon of garlic salt. Just mix it all together real good. Form it into a ball. Put your pecan pieces on a plate and just roll that ball in the pecan pieces till it's covered real well. And at that point, it's ready to serve. I like serving it with Townhouse crackers because they're my favorite, but any crackers are fine. And last but not least, recipe number 5, one of my favorites, bacon wrapped water chestnuts. So you're going to need 2 cans of whole water chestnuts. You're gonna need 1 pack of bacon. You're gonna need some soy sauce and some white cane sugar. You're gonna cut your bacon into thirds. You're gonna open the cans of water chestnuts and drain all the water. Dump in some soy sauce on top of them, let them soak for a few minutes, probably 3 to 5 minutes is good. Once you've taken the water chestnuts out of the soy sauce, you're gonna roll them real good in sugar. Once they're coated real good in sugar, you're gonna wrap a piece of bacon around the water chestnut and you're gonna put a toothpick through it to hold the bacon. Then place it in the pan. Once everything's in the pan, you're gonna cook these things for about an hour at 350. And when I say about an hour, it's, again, everybody likes bacon cooked differently. I like it kind of crispy. It's gonna take about an hour to get crispy. So, you take these to a party, they probably won't last once people taste them. There you go. 5 really easy appetizer recipe ideas that you can take really to any party. Enjoy them. These are some of my favorites. If you're looking for more recipe appetizer ideas, please visit my friend, The Real Chef Curry. He's doing some more ideas. I'm going to post a link to his YouTube channel and his video right down in the description, so be sure and check that out. And again, thanks for stopping. I appreciate your support on my channel, and we will see you next time.